Jai Hind, welcome to Equi Study. Today we are going to take class Mathematics class 9, exercise 6.1. So let us see what is the first question. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Questions will be displayed in the screen. See there. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. One figure is given there, one diagram is given there. Two lines AB and CD. AB given like this and CD given like this. This line is AB and this line is CD. AB and CD, these two lines intersect at point O. Okay. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, where is E? Okay, E this side. This side E. Given angle ADC, angle AOC plus angle BOE, AOC plus BOE equals 70 degree, and angle BOD equal 40 degree. Find angle BOE. We have to find angle BOE and angle BO and angle BOD, angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Okay, we have whatever given in the question we have already written here. Now see what we can do for it. Angle AOC plus angle BOE means these two angles total equal 70 degree. These two angles 70 degree, and angle BOD equal 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. Okay, 40 degree. Now we have to find BOE. What is this angle and reflex of angle COE. Okay, since here angle BOD equal angle AOC, opposite angle. This is opposite angle. Angle BOD equal angle AOC, opposite angle. BOD and angle AOC, opposite angle. But BOD given 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC equal 40 degree because angle BOD equal 40 degree. Okay, so this angle we have get 40 degree. But question given angle AOC plus angle BOE equal 70 degree. Okay, now from equation 1, AOC 40 degree plus angle BOE 70 degree. This is given in equation 1. Now we will find angle BOE. BOE equal 70 degree. This side 40 degree was plus, we are taking 40 degree to right side, that's why it will be minus 70 minus 40 equal 30 degree. So we have got the two angle, we have got the values of the two angle. One is AOC 40 degree and BOE equal 30 degree. Okay, do you understand? If not understand, once again I am describing what is given in question. In questions it is said that two lines AB and CD intersect at point O, and angle BOD is given 40 degree and OE joined there. Now we have to find out values of angle AOC how much, and angle reflex of COE. Okay, solution. Angle BOD equal AOC because opposite angle. So BOD angle value given 40, so angle AOC equal 40 degree since BOD equal 40 degree. Now from equation 1 40 AOC plus BOE equal 70 degrees. We have got values of AOC 40 degree, so we will put 40 degree instead of AOC. 40 degree plus angle BOE equal 70 degree. So angle BOE equal 70 degree minus 40 degree equal 30 degree. So we have got the values of angle AOC and angle EOB. Okay, now I am going to erasing. Okay, we know that angle AOC, so AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOD equal 180 linear pair. Now we will put the values of angle AOC how much we get? 40 degree. Angle C we get 40 degree plus COE we don't know COE how much, so COE will be remain same, plus EOD how much we get? We get EOD 30 degree equal 180 degree equal 180 degree. Now we will simplify and find out angle COE. Okay, now angle COE, we will keep COE left side and remaining all others we will take in right side. Left side 40 degree was plus, we are taking right side, so plus will be minus, similarly 30 also will be minus. So how much we will get? 180 minus 70 110. We will get one COE, this angle COE 110. Now from questions we need to find a reflex of angle COE. Now reflex of angle COE equal, reflex of angle COE will be 360 minus 110. So how much we will get? We will get 360 minus 110. We will make calculation here. 250. We will get 250. Therefore, according to question, which one we need? We need angle BOD equal 40 degree. Sorry, we need AOC 40 degree and reflex of COE equal 250 degree. So this is the answer. Do you understand? If not understand, once again see in the board, I will describe it in details. So according to linear pair, angle AOC, see, look at the diagram, angle AOC, angle COE and angle EOB remains on the same straight line AB. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOD equal 180 degree because of linear pair. Now we will put the values of AOC and EOD. 40 degree AOC plus COE plus EOD 30 degree equal 180 degree. Now angle COE equal 110 degree. Now in question we need to find reflex of COE. So reflex of COE means 360 degree minus angle COE equal 250 degree. So this is the answer. Okay, this question ends here. Now we will move for the next question. Okay, question number 2. In the given figure, one figure is given. Okay, we will first draw the figure, then we will discuss. In the given figure, lines x, y and mn, two lines are there, x, y and mn meets at point O, intersect at point O. Okay, x, this one y meets at point M, mn lines intersect at point O, intersect at point O. If angle POY, this angle, if angle POY 90 degree given. Okay. The question is, in the given figure, lines x, y and mn, lines x, y and mn intersect at O. Lines x, y, mn intersects at point O. If angle POY equal 90 degree. And A is to be angle POY equal 90 degree. A is to be 2:3. This one A, this one B and this one C. We need to find C. Okay. We will discuss now. Here given M and two lines intersect at MN and XY. These two lines intersect at point O, and angle POY equal 90 degree. And angle A is to B equal 2:3. Now we have to find angle C. Okay. Now solution. We know that angle XOM plus angle OMP plus angle POY equal 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay. Now A and B divide this angle X, divide this angle into 2:3. Let A equal 2x and B equal 3x, where x is some angle. Where x is some where x is some angle. Okay, a equal 2x and b equal 3x. Now from equation 1 we will give this as equation 1. Now from equation 1 xom, okay, xom means angle b how much, 3x, plus angle omp means angle a, 2x, plus angle POY equal 180. So angle POY how much we get, 5x, plus angle POY 90 degree equal 180. Now 5x equal 180 degree. So x equal 180 by 5. X equal 180 by 5. Okay, do you understand this line? Angle XOM means angle B plus angle A plus angle POY equal 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because linear pair, XY is the linear pair. Okay, now in question it is given that angle A is to B equal to is to 3. So let A equal 2x and B equal 3x, where x is some angle. 3x plus 2x, we will put this value of A and B in equation 1. 3x plus 2x plus angle POY equal 180 degree. 3x plus 2x, 5x plus angle POY how much, 90 degree. Since angle POY equal 90 degree given, 180. Now x equal 5 into 180 by 5 into 90 by 5, 5x, 180 minus 90. So 180 minus 90 by 5 equal 90 by 5 equal 18. So x value how much we get? X value we get 18. Okay. X value we get 18. Now we will put values of A equal how much we get? A equal 2x, 2 into 18 equal 36. So A value how much we get? 36 degree. Again B equal 3x equal 3 into 18 equal 54. B value how much we get? 54 degree. Okay, do you understand? A equal 2x, so we are putting x value here. So 2 into 18 equal 36 degree. B equal 3x, 3 into 18 equal 54. Now according to question, what we have to find out? We have to find out angle C, value of C. Okay, now angle MOX plus angle MOX plus XOM equal 180 degree because linear pair. Why angle MOX plus XOM equal 180 degree? Because this is a linear pair. Now we know the value of this angle. MOX means angle B. MOX how much we get? 54. 54 plus XOM we don't know. So XOM will be remain as XOM equal 180 degree. Do you understand what I have written here? I have written here this angle plus this angle equal 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Because this is linear pair. Now we will find out values of XOM. XOM means XOM equal 180 minus 54. How much it will be? 180 minus 54, 6 Okay, it will be 126. XON means angle C. Angle C equal 126 degree. Okay, so this is the solutions for this question. Answer for this question is angle C. Therefore, angle C equal 126 degree. Do you understand? If not, then once again I am describing this. Angle MOX plus angle XON, this line M, because M and straight line, so the angles upon this straight line will be linear pair. So 54 plus XON equal 180 degree. MOX value we have got previously 54 degree, so we are putting this value here. And XON, angle XON, this angle means angle C. Angle C, after calculation how much we get? 126 degree we get. So angle C equal 126 degree. This is the answer. So student, if any problem, if not understand, or if there are any mistake, please comment. We will try to fix it, and once again I will describe if not understand. Today this class is up to this much. Thank you.